Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start plant tissue. Tissue, I have already explained you that what is tissue? Group of cells structurally same performing a particular task. जब number of cells मिलकर कोई particular work करती हैं, that is known as tissue. Like blood. क्या काम है blood का? पूरी body की सेल्स को ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करना और बॉडी की सारी सेल्स टिश्यू सब जगह से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को लेकर आना एंड न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करना, राइट? ब्लड. सो ऑल द सेल्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द ब्लड डू दिस फंक्शन. नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद प्लांट टिश्यू. So as I told you earlier that plant tissues are divided into two parts. First one is dividing tissues and second one is non-dividing tissues. Dividing tissues are also known as meristematic, while the non-dividing are known as permanent. Because meristematic tissues are those tissues which grow throughout the life, and because of this the plants grow throughout the life, while in non-dividing tissues the mature cells do not divide. After reaching the stage of maturity they stop dividing. Now meristematic are divided into three parts according to location. Meristematic tissues कहाँ पर होते हैं इसके अकॉर्डिंग इन्हें तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. फर्स्ट इज एपिकल, प्रेजेंट एट द रूट टिप एंड शूट टिप. शूट यू नो दैट प्लांट का ऊपर वाला पार्ट इज नोन एज शूट. कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं एपिकल मेरिस्टेम? रूट टिप एंड शूट टिप. सेकेंड इज लेटरल, where it is present in the bark of the tree. Third is intercalary, where it is present in the internodes. Permanent are divided into two parts according to the number of cells they are made up of. If they are made up of one kind of cells, एक ही तरीके की सेल से मिलकर बनते हैं, one type of cells, one kind of cells, they are known as simple. And if they are made up of more than one kind of cell, they are known as complex. Now, one question can come in your exam that differentiate between meristematic and permanent. Then you can write 2 points from here. What? Meristematic are dividing, permanent are non-dividing. Meristematic are of three types, apical, lateral and intercalary, while permanent are of two types, simple and complex. So from this flow chart, you can write the difference between meristematic and permanent. क्या लिख सकते हैं आप? Meristematic dividing tissues होते हैं, permanent नॉन डिवाइडिंग टिश्यूज होते हैं. मेरिस्मेटिक को थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, एपिकल, लेटरल एंड इंटरकैलरी, एंड परमानेंट आर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, सिंपल एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स. देन सिंपल टिश्यूज आर अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री पार्ट्स. पैरेन्काइमा, कोलिन्काइमा, sclerenchyma. Okay, simple are divided into three parts: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Complex are also divided into two parts: xylem, phloem. This chart is very important because if you will understand and if you will practice this flow chart, then you will easily write about each and every tissue without even studying it. Like I have to write about parenchyma. मुझे parenchyma के बारे में अगर लिखने के लिए आया, मैंने parenchyma नहीं read out किया है. So what can I write from this flow chart? That it is a simple tissue. It is made up of one kind of cells. This is a permanent tissue. So this all I can write with the help of this flow chart. For example, एग्जाम्स में आपके जाइलम के बारे में लिखने का आता है, तो आप इससे लिख सकते हो that this is a permanent tissue. This is made up of more than one kind of cell. This is complex, right? So preparing this flow chart is very important. Now about these tissues we will learn in the next lecture. In this lecture you will prepare this flow chart only, and this I can tell you that apical, lateral and intercalary, these are present at the root tip and the shoot tip, bark of the tree, internodes, and its function is to elongation in height इंक्रीज करने के लिए हेल्प करता है प्लांट की, और रूट टिप और शूट टिप पे प्रेजेंट होता है. वाइल दिस हेल्प्स टू इंक्रीज इन गर्थ मीन्स विड्थ. वाइल दिस हेल्प्स टू इंक्रीज गर्थ ऑफ इंटरनोड्स, दैट मीन्स ये इंक्रीज करता है विड्थ बढ़ाने में ऑफ द लीव्स, ऑफ द स्टेम. सो गर्थ ऑफ internodes. So I hope you all will prepare this flowchart very nicely because this will help us in the further chapter. Thank you.